going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com, and I am bringing you this app called Frisbee, where you can get paid to take pictures of receipts. You can get paid to watch videos, do offers, play games, a few different things you can do in this app. So I'm going to give you guys a brief tutorial on, what it is I'm making or how I'm making money with this app. And you can do it as well. I'll leave the link to sign up with it in the description. It is completely free to sign up. So first I want to show you the game section. You will see here they have a few different games you can play, and it'll show you how much you'll get paid per task and the total amount you can get paid, playing that game. You really get paid, per level that you reach throughout the game. But a lot of these games are easy. You can see how much you're making, and so definitely, look at the games. I'm going back to the home page. You will see here different offers that you can choose from, maybe different apps, things you can sign up with, and how many points you can get for doing that. Just a really good way to, rack up your points even faster. They also have this spin the wheel here where you can earn up to 100 points. As simple as it sounds, spin the wheel and see how many points you get for doing that. So I will use my points here to spin the wheel and see how many I get. And I got 20 points just like that. So you can do that on this app as well. Really cool thing. I don't see a lot of apps do that, so that's a really good feature they have. Also, you see here you can get paid to watch videos, different ads, 2 points per ad that you can get paid, when you're watching videos or whatever. Scrolling down further, you can actually do some surveys here to kind of, just another way to make money with it. But, a lot of different features on this app that they have. But the main one is really taking pictures of receipts. So just kind of right here, scan receipts. You'll have a receipt. You would just basically get the full receipt in the picture, making sure that it can be clearly seen, mainly the date and the total, and you submit it. And you see there I got 5 points. Now you get more points, but depending on the receipt of how much that you spent with that receipt or whatever that you bought. So it's not only going to be 5 points. Sometimes you might get 10, 20, 30, whatever the case may be. But when it comes to cashing out, you need a minimum of 1,000 points, which equals $1,000. So you kind of do the math on that of how much you need when you're getting receipts, playing games, things like that. So $1,000, that will get you 5 points. 1,000 points will get you $5 that you can cash out right here via PayPal. They have different gift cards you can choose from. So a few different ways that you can actually make money with it. But it is very, very easy. I just signed up not too long ago, and I'm loving, how I'm making money with this app. So like I said, it's another app where you can get paid to do a few different things. But, I think this is one that you should definitely have on your phone, just something you can keep on the go. Gives you opportunity to watch videos, take pictures of receipts, offers, games, all that kind of cool stuff. So I definitely recommend it. Like I said, the link is in the description. You can sign up with it. Get started with it today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies1000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.